Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just doing some surveys, by just playing games, watching videos and many more things that you can do. Okay, and on joining guys, you are getting $1, okay, in your account when you do the sign up. Okay, and I just tell you the payments of this website. So this is a website, American based website. So how it is paying, let's see first. So through PayPal or Bitcoin and e-gift card as well. Okay, you know about the Amazon offer, Flipkart offer, so in that way also they are paying. So I just show you how you can earn a good amount of money from this website by just doing surveys, by just watching some videos, and it will eventually get, you know, when it reach up to $7, you can, you know, get your payment. Okay, you can receive a payment, and it's absolutely free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket you need to spend. Okay, so why I chose this website, you might be asking. Because guys, the service you are doing, this website will pay you 65 to 85% of the actual income which companies are paying them. Okay, that commission is given to you. Okay, they are not taken themselves, because other websites will take 40 to 60%, but this website will get commission 65 to 85%. You can see how it is, how simple it is, and you can earn a good amount of money with this. Okay, so for registration, I just come up in this register box. You just need to type your name. Okay, I just type my name, okay, my email ID, okay, and my user name, okay, and your password. Okay, just click I have already did the policies and just sign up for GGU. So page is coming up in this website just like you whenever you are doing this registration. After you did this registration, so I just show you how you are getting paid from this website. You can see guys, welcome to GGU, and we are very high paying source survey routers and offers a good amount. Okay, because we'll usually pay 65 to 85% rate out. I told you guys, it's very good website, and you can just get money by just playing some games. Okay guys, we are playing games and watch videos. Why can't we watch videos from this website? You can choose, you can open up this website link on your mobile phones, and then you can just doing your other work and just part-time work, you are just earning money. Okay, just $7 in your pocket guys, it's very good. So for $1 USD for every 100 coins you are getting. Okay, let us suppose guys, I just do some calculation. Okay, let us suppose you are getting paid $7 a day. Okay, minimum, I should choose minimum. And let us suppose in 30 days you are having $210 by just doing nothing. It's minimum $210 by just, I just tell you minimum. If you are spending 20 minutes per day, okay, maximum you can do your work as well as on your mobile phone. You just open this website and just do some surveys, so that minimum $25 you can earn. Okay, if you are getting $25, I can choose, so into 30. So you can see guys, $750 in your pocket by just doing nothing. Okay, so on the next page you can see the login and start earning money. Okay, just click on this, click to continue, and just we are doing how we can earn money. Okay, I just type my password. and just do some login, and you can see guys, whenever I have login, I just get $1. Guys, you can see just $1 in my pocket just by doing nothing, and $6 more to reach $7, and you are getting paid for that. And for 100 coins, you can see guys, 100 coins I just get $1. And I show you how you can get a good amount, okay, by just doing some surveys, just watching some videos, and you are good to go. Okay, I just show you some offers. Okay, just show you how videos are look like. I just click on this video, and you can see guys, for every 200 points you earn, you'll receive silver token, which will add $1 to $3 in your account balance. Okay, just $1 to $3 in your account balance it will give. You can see guys, it is a good amount of money by just seeing the videos. You can see lots of videos. I just click on this video. Okay, just click on it, and you can see guys, my referral will go to this account, and my account is opened, and you can see I can watch videos by just watching this video. You can see guys, I need to watch this full video, and I'm getting paid for that. Okay, you just do one thing guys, you just open this video in your mobile phone. Your video is watching until 3 minutes, and you do your other work, okay, your office work and all, and you are getting paid for this. Okay, if you are having multiple email IDs and multiple mobiles, then you can earn a good amount of money. You can see guys, it's beneficial for you as well. Okay, you just watch this video till the end, and you are getting paid $1 to $2, $1 to $3 I should say. Okay, it will show you. You can see guys, watch the latest video. For every ad you watch, you can manually withdraw once you watch at least 3 videos per plus ads. Okay, so have some time, spend some time, just click on this up next, and watch minimum 3 videos, and you are getting paid $3 to $4. Okay, it's a good amount guys. I should say you that it's something that will make you not a millionaire, but you can have a good amount of money. But just you can spend some bills, okay, your internet bills and all. There are other ways as well. Okay, you can see that guys, there are some paid service as well. Okay, you can look out these surveys as well, and you can see guys, my score is 69 for this, and you just need to perform these operations and just do these kind of service. Just have a look and just click on the continue. Okay, you can, I just fill up just manually. Okay guys, okay, I just fill up manually. Wait a second. Okay, I just click on this continue and just spend some time on these kind of service, and you are getting a good amount of money. Okay, this is one way. Okay, I just tell you other ways as well. I just click on this AdSense Media, and you can see guys, you are getting paid by just clicking on these kind of, by just performing these quiz. Okay, have easy surveys and all. You are, you know guys, it's very good amount of money. It's just a free, okay, surveys. You can do it on your own, and you can perform these surveys as well, and some games that you can download. I just show you other things as well. Okay, just have a look on these kind of things, and per service guys, 0.7 cents or $0.7 you are getting paid. Okay, 7 cents or you are getting paid. Okay, just look at these kind of videos and just have a look. Okay, just click on this next. Okay, you can see guys, you are doing the surveys as well. Okay, just spend some time and just click on this play now. Okay, just do some surveys and just click next, and you can see guys, I'm getting paid just by playing some things. Okay, just have a look at these kind of things, okay, so that you can able to know how you can earn. Okay, I just click on this again, and you can see guys, you can also promote you can also earn 5% from referral link as well. Okay, what you need to do, you just post this URL, okay, on your social media platform, whether it is Facebook, on your WhatsApp group, or you can tell your friends to join this from your referral link, so that they can also earn and you can get the commission of 5% in your Paytm wallet instantly. Okay, just have a look on these kind of things. You can see that there are some earning potentials and promote, and you can also promote these things, promote by just doing referrals. Okay, deals and resources, you can see, just click on these kind of things and you are getting paid for that. Okay, I just click on this earn, and it's good. Okay, let's see how we can manage our account. Okay, so whenever you are getting $7 in your pocket, and just click on this payout request. Okay, and you can select your account setting and just give your PayPal account details, and just click on this save changes, so that you are getting paid automatically whenever $7 is reach on your account. Okay, so it's a good website guys. I just do recommend to have a service. Okay, at least guys 1 hour a day you are getting paid $10 to $12 a day. Okay, just by spending 1 to 2 hours. Okay, that's your free time, in your lunch time, or while doing working. Okay, while doing some other things as well in your free time, you can use it and earn money, good amount. It's a good part-time job guys. Okay, because they are getting paid, they are paying you much more than any other website. They just tell you 65 to 85%. Okay, so this is it for this video guys. If you want some investment strategy, I do recommend you to please subscribe to my channel, so that I can give you more details on how to earn money online, so that you can get to know that these are websites where you can find out how I can earn a good amount of money by just doing some surveys, just watching videos, and I am getting paid a good amount. Okay, so this is it for this video guys. We'll see you in the next, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you.